Today we are going to install the new Turn Offroad Ford Bronco FB1 W1 0 winch mount. This mount fits the 2021 and newer Ford Bronco 2 and 4 door models. Installation time is around 30 minutes. Can be installed by yourself with a difficulty level of beginner. You will need this list of tools to get the job done properly. So, gather all these tools, and let's start this installation. Before we begin this installation, please note the FB1 W1 0 winch mount is designed to fit the Turn Offroad FB1 M1 front bumper only. This video only covers the winch mount installation. To view how to install the Turn Offroad front bumper, please refer to the FB1 M1 front bumper installation guide on our website or YouTube channel. First, install your winch to the 0 winch mount by following the mounting instructions that came with your winch. Now that you have installed the winch to the 0 winch mount, you can start this install by setting the whole winch and mount into position on the bumper. Line up the mounting holes and begin installing a couple of the supplied 5mm Allen bolts, finger tight. These bolts will hold the winch mount in place, so you can finish prepping the mount. Now, adjust the mount as needed to fit perfectly on the bumper, and install the 5 other 5mm Allen bolts in these locations shown here, and tighten down. Note, the 2 back mounting locations can be a little tight to get to, so be patient, as there is room to get this done without issue. Next, to finish hooking up your winch, refer to the manufacturer's installation instructions for electrical hookup and overall operation. Congratulations, that completes your Turn Offroad 0 winch mount installation. This winch mount was designed to mount almost any winch to our FB1 M1 front bumper. It features a solid CNC cut, bent, and precision welded design to accommodate up to a 12,500 pound winch, and is coated with a 3-stage protective micro-textured powder coat. This Turn Offroad winch plate seamlessly integrates with all other accessories available for this bumper. Until your next Turn product install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your product installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.